The NetSonora session allows users access sound-based web content using voice. The app can be integrated with website which has RSS feed. It is also possible create a sound-based website using a specific session on www.websonora.com. Accessing the NetSonora session. Sites.
NetSonora session.
Let's pronounce the keyword that identifies the sound site. News.
News.
We applied the search command and a list of sound sites will be pronounced. Search.
3 registers found. 1. Reuters World News. 2. Time Magazine. 3. The Washington Post.
The sound site is accessed by using the 1, 2 or 3 commands. 1.
Welcome to Reuters World News. The Reuters World News NetSonora has 20 topics. They are following. 1. Influential Mozambican lawyer step gunned down in taxi. 2. North Korea warns US about preemptive strike if necessary. 3. Nigeria's Boko Haram releases beheading video echoing Islamic State.
Within the sound site, the posts are accessed by using the 1, 2 or 3 commands. 1.
Maputo, Reuters. A gunman shot dead on Tuesday. A prominent Mozambican lawyer who was viewed as sympathetic to opposition calls for decentralization of power in the...
Also within the sound site, users can search by any content. For example, imagine that we want to search by the subject war. War.
War.
Search.
3 registers found. 1. North Korea warns US about preemptive strike if necessary. 2. Nobel Peace Prize chairman demoted. First time in 114-year history. 3. Israel's Netanyahu warns Obama against Iran nuclear deal.